Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome to back in our channels. Today our team will max the top 10 tourism place in Skardu city.
Chunda Valley is a spectacular and breathtaking valley in Skardu city, only at a short distance of about 1 hour drive from the downtown Yadkar Chowk, Skardu. This valley is located at a raised ground which provides a pleasing view in summer by its green carpeted and lush green farms and fields. This valley is famous for different kind of fruits, especially for the seedless resins. This valley is totally self-sustained because its fertile land allows the inhabitant to grow a different kind of cereals and fruits. Mantal Buddha Rock. Mantal Buddha Rock is a large granite rock on which picture of Buddha has engraved, which probably dates back to 8th centuries. This rock is located in Mantal village of Skardu town in Pakistan. Buddha Rock is one of the most important relics of Buddhism in Skardu. It is about 3 kilometers from Satpara Road. Satpara Road will lead to Satpara Lake.
Audio Jungle.
Shangri-La was established in 1983 with the opening of first resort hotel in Skardu, Pakistan, Pakistan. Shangri-La Resort Hotel was founded by the late Muhammad Aslam Khan Afridi, the first commander of the Northern Scouts of Pakistan Army. The resort is known as for its restaurant that is built on the first leg of an aircraft that had crashed nearby. Shangri-La was named after a book titled Lost Horizon by James Hilton. Upper Kachura Lake is of clear water and has a depth of 70 meters to 30 feet. In summer, it has a temperature of 15 degrees Celsius. In winter, the surface is frozen solid. The upper Indus River flows nearby at a lower elevation. Mantoga Waterfall. Mantoga Waterfall is a waterfall located in Karnal Valley, Skardu, Pakistan, the extreme northern region of Pakistan. This waterfall is approximately 180 feet from the ground and located almost 80 kilometers, 50 miles away from downtown Skardu. Karkojo Fort or Skardu Fort means the king of forts is a fort in Skardu city in Gilgit-Baltistan region of Pakistan. Australian mountaineer and filmmaker Greg Child writes that the fort is pressed above the junction of rivers and overlooks the rock of Skardu. The Cold Desert. The Cold Desert, also known as Sarfaranga Desert, is a high-altitude desert located near Skardu, Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan. The desert contains large sand dunes that are sometimes covered in snow during winter. Situated at an elevation of 2,226 meters, 7,303 feet above sea level, the Cold Desert is one of the most highest deserts in the world. Basho Valley. Basho is a beautiful valley in Skardu city, a distance of about 1.5 hour drive from the Skardu city. The valley is covered by the lush evergreen forest of different species, pastures, and gushing, gurgling, and trickling streams which make it a part of the heaven. The top of the peaks remain covered by the snow even in the summer. Shiosa Lake is a lake situated in the Osai National Park in Gilgit-Baltistan, province of northern Pakistan. It is located at the height of 4,142 kilometers, 13,589 feet. This lake is accessible through two routes. One is through Skardu and the other through Astor district. The route through Skardu can be covered by jeep in few hours. However, if tracked, it can take 2 days time. Second route is from Astor district. From main Astor town, it take about 4 hour jeep travel through a semi-metal road to reach Chilm, the last residential area adjacent to the plains. Blind Lake. Blind Lake is a panoramic lake near Sugar Valley, Sugar, Gilgit-Baltistan region in Pakistan. Blind Lake uses as a water reservoir for the residents of Sugar Valley. It is fed by Indus River.